Good morning. You can take some comfort from the fact that the Indian indices have been showing resilience. The trend is likely to stay intact at least at start today with a positive one. Asian markets are mostly up. US stocks did well to recover but still are in the red. European indices were mixed. ONGC will be in the spotlight as it has filed documents for its FPO. FI inflows have gained some traction lately. This is partly the driving force behind the recovery from the recent lows. Of course, the moot point is whether Indian markets can continue to attract foreign portfolio investment. A breakout above 5,100 could see the Nifty rise a bit further. Key support is likely at 4,800. For the time being, the focus will remain on the ongoing troubles in the Eurozone and the US. Friday's speech by President Obama and Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke will be carefully analyzed along with a string of Chinese data points. Meanwhile, the Finance Ministry has sought consolidated inputs from stock exchange to improve the depth and liquidity of stock markets. Pipavav Shipyard will also be in the limelight due to reports that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is all set to pick up a small stake in the company. Sri Renuka Sugars is in talks with PE players to offload a 25% stake in its Brazilian subsidiary. Telecom stocks could gain after Bharti Group Chairman Sunil Mittal said call rates may rise further. Cipla has reportedly shut two of its marketing divisions. The Bank of Japan is likely to keep the key rate steady at today's policy meeting. Markets will be keen to know whether it announces any new stimulus measures. Policy decisions are due from central banks in the UK and Eurozone on Thursday. G7 finance chiefs are due to meet on Friday. August inflation advance tax number, RBI policy decision and FOMC meet will be on investors' radar later this month. FIs were net buyers of Rs 4.31 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutional institutions were net sellers at Rs 4.15 billion on the same day. FIs were net buyers at Rs 6.02 billion in the F&O segment. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise buying IRB Infra above Rs 162 with a stop loss of Rs 159 and for the target price of Rs 169. We recommend buying ICICI Bank in the range of Rs 880 to Rs 882 with a stop loss of Rs 868 and for the target price of Rs 910. Our derivative strategy for the day are: long Crompton Greaves September futures between Rs 150 to 151 for the target price of Rs 158 and a stop loss placed at Rs 147. Long GT Offshore September future between Rs 146 to Rs 147 for the target price of Rs 152 and a stop loss placed at Rs 144. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.